Quality sheet metal requires 6 core processes: laser cutting, bending, welding, grinding, powder coating, and UV printing. Every step guarantees precise size, sturdy structure, anti-corrosion performance, and custom looks. Laser cutting, precisely blanking metal sheets to shape the basic contour of workpieces. High-power lasers can accurately cut stainless steel, reproduce special shapes and tiny holes according to drawings, and provide precise, dimensional tolerance guarantees for all subsequent processes. Bending is a key forming process for sheet metal. Professional bending machines press and fold cut flat metal panels to create various 3D shells and special shaped structures. It accurately controls bending angles to lay a neat foundation for subsequent welding and assembly. Welding is the core step for sheet metal forming. Workers splice and fix bent metal plates to assemble all parts tightly. It ensures solid, crack-resistant, and long-lasting finished structures. Grinding removes spurs, and welding marks for smooth surfaces before powder coating. It delivers flawless base surface to guarantee perfect coating finish. Powder coating creates a dense protective layer on workpieces. It prevents rust and corrosion, greatly extending product service life. UV printing customizes logos and patterns as required, endowing sheet metal products with exclusive personalized appearances. The vivid color is fade resistant to meet all customers. Personalized branding demands